I've had a few concussions. I've been playing soccer for nearly my whole life, and I'm 24 years old. But I've been playing professionally for about 2 years, and my most recent concussion was about a month ago. I was playing professionally in France, and it was my last game of the season, an away game. So we were in a small town about 5 hours south of Paris. And in about maybe the 30th minute or so, I just went to clear a ball, and a player was in front of me and actually hit her and then hit me square in the face extremely hard, and I fell back. Pretty much just lost thought, lost everything, blacked out, and was on the ground for what felt like a long time, but was really only about a minute, and the game didn't stop. No one came to help me, anything. I just kind of rolled over onto my hands and knees and looked around me and saw that they were still playing, so I slowly got up and kept playing, which probably wasn't the best thing looking back on it, but I didn't really know what else to do, and no one on my team speaks English. My coaches don't speak English, and my medical staff didn't speak English. So at halftime, a few of my friends on the team kind of asked me if I was okay, and I said I was fine, but my nose was super swollen, and so I played the second half, but I just tried to not head the ball or use my head. I tried to just use my feet for everything and avoid using my head. And the only really treatment I got was just putting some ice on my face and my nose, because it just was so hot and swollen, and I just kind of had a headache for the next bus ride home back to Paris, which was about 5 or 6 hours.